So our fake student Annie uh, is 15. She has anxiety, depression, and autism, and her IQ is 130. Her public school currently cannot meet her needs, but her parents don't know how to have her needs met, and they need help with what to do next. Obviously, it's clear that Annie has some high needs and that she is twice exceptional because she has the disability of anxiety, depression, and autism, but she also has the giftedness and the exceptionality of a very high IQ. This is where those complexities with the law and the school system and all of the different intricacies of special education come in and make it hard for a parent to know exactly what to do because this is not cut and dry. Right. With something like this, there is no cut and dry answer. So this is where the difficulty of a twice exceptional student comes in and where they often fall through the cracks. Because when you have a high achieving student with a high IQ like Annie, but they have certain disabilities that may mask that or may impact their academics in ways that you don't see, it's important to have them thoroughly evaluated to make sure that you're seeing all the ways in which their disability impacts their education. It would be very easy for one way or the other for Annie to fall through the cracks. Either there's a possibility that her IQ being so high, she's a high achieving student, she does really well in school, and maybe her disability is not as prominent and she doesn't get all the special education services that she needs and she suffers because of that. On the other hand, there may be a chance that her anxiety and her depression and her autism are so prevalent that her IQ goes unnoticed because her disability is impacting her academics so heavily that she's not getting the rigor and the academic challenge that she needs, and so she's not achieving the potential that she could. So this team decides to have her tested in multiple areas to best understand where her needs are and how her twice exceptionality, her giftedness, and her disability is impacting her academically. The academic and psychological evaluations both provide some data that indicate that she needs a placement in a small classroom size to meet the needs of her autism, her social emotional needs that stem from that, as well as her anxiety, but that she also needs access to an accelerated curriculum to meet her high achieving academic needs from her high IQ, which came back from that academic testing. So this is that importance of having a very comprehensive testing and understanding those intricacies so that nothing falls through the cracks.